Okay. Now I should have gone through what? I should have gone through average earlier. But first of all, you all need to understand what's average, lah. You all know what's the Malay word for average, right? What is the Malay word for average? Jesse nodding your head. There's something. Okay, I'm going to show you something. You see whether.
I know what's average
Okay,
in
what is
Malay.
what is average?
The Malay is Avengers.
Avengers is not even a Malay word. Okay, down here now. You look at ants now. Maybe you are able to understand this one. So if I ask you now, what is the average size of an ant? How long? Can see the ant, right? So what's the average length of an ant? You agree?
5 cm. I don't know.
5 cm is very average.
0.5 cm.
0.5 cm. Yes.
In Malay is rata-rata.
0.1. So I cannot hear what you say. What? Sorry. What is it?
0.5 to 0.8. Average in Malay is rata-rata.
Oh, rata-rata. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. I call it rata-rata. Yeah. Rata-rata is correct. Who told you that? Your mom. Okay. Rata-rata correct. Okay. I use a word that is more known as agak-agak lah. Agak-agak is actually roughly. Rata-rata I think
I go Google Translate here.
Oh, okay. So rata-rata is more precise actually. That's correct. So now let us try. You can see my Google, right? Size or length of biggest ants. Let us see.
10 cm.
Let's see. 10 cm is it?
No.
2.5 cm. So 2.5 is like that, right? So now, but then, if let's say we ask you want to know roughly the whole family of ants. There's so many different type of ants, right? So you say, how big is the ant? They say maybe
0.5 to 0.10.
Maybe 0.5 to 1.0. 0.10 is 0.10 is 0.1. So 0.5 to 1.0 or 1. So roughly maybe it's around that because most ants are like that. So average means roughly. Agak-agak, rata-rata is more precise. And so because you need to understand the concept, otherwise you do not know what you're doing. You're using a formula you don't know. So now now we all want to know what's the height of an alien. Say roughly, how tall is an alien? Roughly. So roughly all these movies you've seen, those aliens showing like human, not true. Most of them are 10 meters tall. So they are between 10 to 20. So you have an idea to understand, Example, like the lamppost, and they are bigger size. How big? You say they're big as a big hot air balloon. Oh, like that. So now you can understand roughly. So normally in your questions for average, sometimes they give 3 persons, 4 persons. You don't really understand the concept. Because how you can say rata-rata 4 orang ni how tall are they? It doesn't work, But you say rata-rata, roughly the whole of humans, roughly how tall are they? Now you won't be saying 20 cm. You say roughly maybe they're from 1.2 meters to 1.8 meters, let's say, or 1.4 meters to 1.8 meters. That is where the most of human beings are, their height are there. So that will give you the idea of roughly you can understand. So anyway, we are going to move on to straight. Okay, down here average. Here we go. This one, okay, very quickly lah. You try, you send your answers, and then we will go into one more person coming in. Shafia. Okay, so a few of you have sent your answers. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, or maybe it's just from one person. Wow, it's from one person actually. Here, ID, first one correct. ID, second one correct. And ID, third one. I got to count. Congratulations, Radi. Well done. What about the rest? Only Radi sent me an answers. Maybe you all don't know. We know lah. Don't say we don't know. You know I'm Putra. I know everything. But Putri, if I upload then the drunken person how? Orang mabuk how? Orang mabuk. Never mind.
You can edit or not?
Wow. Okay. Maybe I edit them. It'll take some time to edit. Okay, no problem. Okay, well done, Farish. Congratulations. You win for yourself a free haircut at the barber shop nearest your home. But they only have one hairstyle, the botak. Hey, come on, the rest of you. Putra. Okay, we asked Putra to answer. Which day has the most number of patients, Putra? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's answer?
Yes.
Tell,
What?
tell. Which day has
What?
the most? Means which day has the most number of patients?
Wednesday.
Which day has the least number of patients?
Please.
Yes.
Monday.
Monday. Okay, so this one now the rest you got to add lah. 15 plus 20. Yeah, well done, Putri. Plus 45 plus. Yeah, Shalina, well done.
135.
Plus 25 plus 30. You get 135. Okay. So this is now graph reading skills. We want to go straight into average. I don't know all this. Okay, average. The formula is very simple. Okay, you got to take this down somewhere. You remember a man called Mr. Tan. Okay, Mr. Tan, T-A-N, Tan. T-A-N. T, you write T, you write A, and you write N. Now, I hope you know how to do this. If, let's say, you want to find what's the average, cover average. Total over number. T stands for total. Say total what? Total value. Okay, later we'll do that thing. Number what? Number of persons, maybe. Let's say now, okay, for you to be clearer, let's say now, there are how many persons here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, huh? So 5 persons. I've taken your height. So, but the number 5 is the number here. Total, I measure all your height. I get the height is 8.5, let's say. So if I want to find average, I take total height, means all of your height, I may add together, divide by 5. Then I'll get the average. If I want to find the number, let's say number, sorry. Then take total divide by average. Okay, you get it, the formula. If I want to find total, how? Then average times number. So here we go. You may want to write this down somewhere. Okay, you write Mr. Tan, T-A-N, you use this triangle, but you write total equals to, you cover total, A times N, Mr. Tan. Average times number. What is average? Agak-agak, roughly, rata-rata, times number of things, number of people, depending on what you're talking about. And you're gonna find average, total over number. Okay, if you want to find number, total over average, simple. Okay, ready? So we are going to go into it. Here we go. You copied, I hope you copied. Okay, we're going to go. And where we going to go? We're going to go somewhere. Where? We are on a virtual. I cannot go anywhere. Okay, lah. This one now they give you. We try question 2 straight. Question 2.
So,
2, not 1, 2.
So,
Yeah.
I think I should make my better case less.
Yeah. Please go and take. Okay, very simple. You want to find average. Means total divide by number. What number? See what they ask. Down here means average monthly number, every month. So how many months are there? Is this like P61? No, it's not. This is a P5 one, P5 class. Okay, Riley says that. Let's see, 110. This moment, Riley. See whether you're right. Congratulations, Riley. So, okay, if you are confused, I will go through in 1 minute's time. You just give 1 minute aja. For those of you who are confused, you find what's a total number. Total, what's a total? Add all of this. Add.
Sure.
Yeah.
Then after you add all that, then you divide.
Divide by what? By the number of months.
Yeah, you know.
Okay, how many months are there? You count. But the question didn't tell you that. They should say what was the average monthly number. They forgot to put monthly. Okay. So later on, I'll ask you a question for you to think. Okay.
Sure. I got a question for you.
Yes. Well done, Farish. Well done, Putra.
Why would my application is less statement with a lot of paper bullets and one scissors? There is wide open.
You lost it, is it?
No.
Then?
I'm sure. I say sure. I make my vegetables less deadly. That means like make it less deadly, like
Deadly, but it's not deadly, right? That's, because the staples you call it bullets, but it's not you can't. It's not an X.
no, but I have a scissors.
Oh,
but it's
scissors
not.
inside. It's okay,
No,
but I
no,
think
sure. Look at this. I found my scissors. Out.
okay. Just a moment. Okay, average equals to what's total? 320 divided by, you add together 320 divided by 4. 4 months. Now, I want you to tell me why this is important. Imagine this is now a man selling eggs or bread, for example. The average is 80 bread a month. Why is this important? Let's say now, Putri, you have a shop selling bread, roti now, roti, yeah. So why you need to know the average? Why? You know why not? Now you go order. Where you get your bread from? From the factory, right? Which factory, for example, Sunshine, Gardenia. You say, Gardenia, how much bread must you want to keep in your shop? I think 1,000 is okay. Are you sure you're going to sell 1,000? Then you supply 1,000, then at the end of the few days, they come back, why we collect all this bread? No one buy. So you need to know roughly, every day or every month, 80. There's 80 people, 80 packets of bread, loaves of bread sold. So you will stock up about 80. You know what I mean? Otherwise, you have no idea how much to cook. Let's say now you have a food stall. So Putri says she can cook very well. One day she and Putri and Putra, they open a stall called Putri Putra. And then they're selling mee goreng, you know.
I want my own shop.
Okay, that's your own shop. Now, how much should you cook in one day? Say we don't know. We just cook as much as possible. Everything, all our money we can spend, we cook.
I cook 80.
So you need to know the average number coming to your shop daily, right? So then you can estimate, oh, today I cook this amount of lauk, this ayam goreng I fry. Otherwise, you have no idea. So average is very important. So the answer down here is 80. Yes, Raidi, you want to show us something, Raidi? Oh, no. Why you don't want to show? Is it a big knife or what? Don't bring knife to school. Okay, try. Okay, next one. I heard some students in ITE, some students bring knife, I'm told.
How about pen knife?
Pen knife, normally some students may bring, but it's normally to show off. I've got pen knife. And then maybe someone jealous, want to take it. In the end, there might be a fight. Yeah. And that's what happened to Raidi. Okay, we try the next one, number 3. Come. Easy, yeah. Now it's easy, yeah. Well done, Raidi. Well done, Putri. Very fast, huh? Yeah, very fast. In fact, if they were living in the West last time, they'll be the fastest gunslinger. I said, Putri, I just wanted to ask your name. You shot me. Raidi used the same thing. What happened to your name, Raidi? I purposely tried to cause it to be like that. Is this true? Yeah. Okay, you can move on to the next one. Well done, Putra. What about Shalina? What about the rest? Come on. Question number, you move on to question 4, please.
Okay, correct.
Yes, correct. Why are you surprised? Well done, Shalina. So those of you who have not, I think your answer should be 17. This one you can use a calculator. If you don't have a calculator, bring it along. Bring it along, Gam. It's okay.
How come you know?
Yeah, because some of you are taking too long. Okay, so remember average, wow, equals to total divided by the number. Wow, Righty, same thing. So I've not even calculated. What about the rest? You see, we are not here. Why? Be here. Let's see now. Okay, well done to Putri and Raidi also. And Farish. Okay. So down here, just come to this. This is now 20, 20, 40, 40, 40, 60, 59. 59, 69, 70.
So my answer correct.
Not
Number
75.
4.
Yeah, correct. Well done. Not 75. 80, 85. 85, sorry. 85 divided by how many? There's 5 classes, 17. Same thing, you add this whole thing, you get what? Do you remember? Anyone remember? What is it? What do you get total? No one remember. 10, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14,
something.
14 something. Okay. Sorry, I just make sure that you all know what to do. So the rest, we have not finished question 4. You don't need to do question 4 if you because this is 1470. So you divide 1470, you get 490. Okay, so easy, yeah. Now later on, average is going to be quite tough later on. So we start very easy first. Not so tough lah. Not so tough. Yeah, this one is all the same thing. All the same thing. All the same thing. So now this one you must know. Why? Because this is how they calculate your percentage. They take the error. Is it? Okay, go try question 8. How do you know I look different? There's a photo.
I Googled.
Oh, that one is not. That one was, I was in Madrasah Irshad as a trainer. The one in the suit, is it? That one was not so long ago. It's about 10 years ago. That means I've grown old. Putri have said I've grown old.
Calculator.
Yes,
How
please
old are
do.
you?
No.
Okay, calculator.
Yeah. Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 51.
Oh,
Very old.
huh?
Very old.
Why?
Thanks for telling me I'm old. I'm about to die. So bad, you. Okay, come. The rest of you. Okay, roughly. This is how we calculate your score. They say, say, Mom, Dad, for my percentage, I got how many percent? They take the average. So let us see now. We have Raidi. Raidi is now faster. Then Farish is also in. Let us see what about the rest.
Who was the first, sir?
You are first. You know, the fastest gunslinger in the West. That's why you thought that you might pose a trap by bringing scissors to school. Because before anyone can say anything, the scissors might end up into someone's forehead. Is it true?
No.
Okay, but well done. Putri, Farish, Shalina, all got correct. Nah? So what about Miss Anna and Raidi?
Hey, for me.
Raidi. Okay,
Hey,
what
for
about,
me.
let me see. I can see a few of them. Let me see. Where is Shafia? What are you doing, Shafia? Are you doing, Shafia?
Sure.
Shafia can do, yes.
Can I
You can
tell you
use-
something you don't show the class,
Okay, sure. Shafia, use a calculator, okay? You just wake up. Come, you just need to add the whole thing. 80 plus 76 plus 76 plus 68 plus 90.
Okay, correct answer. I get correct.
Just hold on. You get 390. Yes, correct. Well done. You get
Oh.
390 marks. So this is what they do for your score. No? They add all the subject up. So down here you get 390. Then what do they do? they divide it by the number of subjects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they divide by 5. Down here you get 78 marks. Then you wonder, how come I get 78? Well, that's what they do. They add the total, divide by 78. So roughly they're telling you this student roughly scores 78% for his subjects. But it's not really true. Mother tongue he get 90. What? English get 68. So it's quite different. Yes, but roughly, if you take all the subjects, rata-rata, agak-agak, average is 78. That's what they mean. Is to give the indication of how good you are. Yes. Yeah.
Bad news, bad news. Look at Karishma profile. Look now. Sir.
Look at who? Farish profile. Oh,
No.
oh my goodness. Oh.
That's
Oh,
good.
why?
Handsome.
Why is your sister looking like a man?
I don't know.
Okay, that was when I was in Madrasah Irshad. I was doing training
Sure,
in
send them one of them. You pick wisely.
YSD. Okay,
Pick one
come.
wisely. Okay,
You
know
try
what?
question
Show
number.
them the
Question number. Oh,
cat.
oh, you going Google? No need to Google lah, me. Why you Google me?
Sure. Just show them the cat one. I'm scared.
You say don't show them now. You say you show them.
Yes. Only the cat. The other one cannot show them.
The cat.
Yes. Cat.
Where you send me a cat?
Video.
I don't think you send me a cat.
Yes, I can send you a cat video.
Cat video. This is a cat video.
So,
No, I did not get a cat video. I open up. I did not get a cat video. Okay,
so,
never mind. Maybe later. Now we try question number one.
I think I can do this fast.
See, Farish said we give an answer. Let's see. Okay, Farish, you have gotten it correct. Well done. Means, have you done this in school, Farish? Average, have you done in school?
I'm learning rate.
Rate. What is the meaning of rate?
Same.
Divide.
But what is rate?
Huh? Rate lah. Rate. Oh, it's like
The amount of things, the amount of
So rate is like when you go to the shopping mall, then they say one for like $9. But then if promotion, then it become $1.90.
So you're saying rate is actually
supermarket.
price. Okay, yeah, maybe something. Okay, rate is actually comparison between something, between two things.
And something.
And something, yeah.
Correct.
But
Something.
okay, your answer is not correct. I'm so sorry. You cannot take points plus the games. Cannot. Because points is different from the games.
I know this one is just
You got to use the formula.
this one is just divide.
Yeah, divide. Yes, divide at times. Use the formula. Come. So many persons are talking now. You want to find what? You want to find total score points. How many points in total? Putra is not also. It could be times, it could be divide. You want to find total. What's the formula for total?
Okay, correct.
You get wrong.
Only
You see, in one game, Raidi, well done. In one game, he scored 12 points. In one game, 12 points. So in 4 games, how many points? Yes, now you're correct, Raidi. Now you're correct, Shadrina. Putri, you're correct. Putra, you got to check again. So total, what's the total? Total is N. Average times number. How many games are there? 4 games. Each game he scored 12 points, roughly. Again, we are not saying actually every game he scored 12 points, but roughly. Like, so you take 12 times 4. So that's why you must understand what we mean. Is 48. Okay, do you understand down here? You must ask yourself when the questions for average. Are they asking me average? Are they asking me for number? Are they? No, it's not. Are they asking me one of this? Which one is it? So let us look one by one. Okay, watch. Putra later. Now down here they already give you average, so you already have average. And then they tell you the number of games. You have the number of games. There's only one thing they're asking, which is total. So you use this triangle to tick. What you have, you tick. Then surely they must ask you what you don't have, right? You know what I mean? Okay, so the answer is 48. Right? Putra, the answer is right here. Here we go. I hope you get it. Okay, then next one.
we send to the cat video.
Okay.
Okay,
Because when I open up, I see a Google search from, righty. Ready? You did not send me anything. It's only Putri who sent me, and it's a Google search on myself.
Again.
Oh, you have sent me by phone. Allah Akbar. Okay. I was okay, now I see. Oh, yo. Which one should we show?
The cat one. The cat one. Do not show the other one. The
Are
other
you
one is
feeding
my
your cat egg or what?
durian.
Allah.
That one my mother take because I don't want to go near durian ever again. I don't want it again.
Do you notice this cat? Is it a stray cat or your cat?
My cat.
Why is there a snip on the ear?
Does
Okay, later we show them. Later we show. Okay, we're trying the next one now. The next one. You must ask yourself, what are you finding? Are you finding total? Are you finding average? Are you finding, first of all, say, I'm finding my cat. That means you're not reading the question. Are you finding total? Are you finding average? Or are you finding number? What are you finding? Okay. Farish, what are you finding? Total. Because average they give you, see, you can put a tick. The number of numbers, they give you number of numbers. So you're finding total. Total is ting times tang. All right, ting times tong, you all know, right? Congratulations, Mr. Farish. First one, righty. Second, Shalina, third. Well done.
Sure.
Yeah.
I was distracted for one second.
Yeah, you were distracted. I saw that video, so I got distracted. Later, I'll show them the video. I didn't know cats can eat durian.
They can't eat chocolate.
Very expensive cat. Sick.
Why don't you say durian? I love durian.
Okay, hold on. Putri, come on. It's 12.8, no, Putri? 12.8 times 5. Total equals average times number. So what is average? Average is, okay, T total is equals to average times number.
64.
64. So you must take 12.8 times how many? 5. And you will get 64, okay? I hope you all get it. So please try the next one. Yes.
I thought I'm confused about what is the sum of number. I thought 64 by 64 by 64.
Oh. Okay, let's try this one now. Again, they are telling you what to find, so you know what to do. So this one seems to be similar, so I have to change question.
Sure.
Hmm.
Is that you?
Oh.
Behind the wallpaper.
Yeah.
Huh? The drawing.
I asked someone to draw.
God.
Well done.
But it
Ready?
doesn't but it doesn't look like you.
Okay.
Can I see the photo?
Yeah. So I should do something to. I'll go to Korea to have a plastic surgery. Then I'll come back as Putra Kashran. Only one problem: don't have enough hair, and the color is different.
Wait.
Wig. The color is also different. Go bleaching, bleaching. Well done, Putri. Well done, Shalina. What about the rest? We have only 3% sending in. What about Farish?
Yeah.
What about Shafia? What about
Wait.
Mr.
You need to do. Can you shop it later?
Shafi? Need to what?
Teacher. You can use calculator.
Yeah, can. Use calculator for this one, no problem.
I've been doing.
No, that means it's even better.
Teacher.
Even better. Yes, Shafia.
Can take charger.
Can take charger. Okay, sometimes you need to charge yourself. It's okay, carry on. You need to charge yourself.
No, the bed is your charger because it's a wireless charger.
Oh, see. Okay. All right. So very simple. So you don't have what? You don't have total. Total is average times number. It's simple. What's the number? There's 4 boys. Each one is given 20, 25.
So my one correct, right? My answer.
Yes, well done. So you get $81. $81. So this is very simple. I need to go to more difficult ones. Okay. Why? Because you know total, you just take average. Okay, we move on to next one. Let us see. What about this one? No, this one. This one now. Think.
So easy.
You can use calculator. Huh?
What is jackfruit?
Okay, I'll show you something. Nangka.
What?
Nacho.
Knuckle.
Nangka, no. Okay, I'll show you in a moment. Huh? For those of you who do not know what jackfruit is, we stop share for a while. You need to know the questions you are doing. So let us see now. Can you see these jackfruit images of jackfruit? Jackfruit in Malay they call it nangka lah. So buah nangka. But there's also cempedak.
Sure.
Cempedak
Sure.
is different. Can you see this is cempedak? No, it's
Yeah.
slightly different. It's
I eat
roundish.
cempedak.
Yeah,
I
it's
eat
nice, huh?
cempedak. Yeah.
Okay. So what
It's
about
like durian.
this is nangka or cempedak? This is jackfruit or cempedak?
Cempedak.
Now, why do they show this lemak? Because they use part of the nangka down here. This one, the Malay dish sometimes can use the parts inside here, no, not the fruit itself, to cook. In between it, you have
Sure.
so to cook. It's very nice. Lauk nangka. Where
But
can you buy this?
there's one thing you can't do with nangka.
What is that?
Sure.
Put it in your fridge. It's not your fridge. It's not like nangka for the
Yeah.
whole like 1 week.
True. Can you see all these parts? This is the parts that you all don't eat, or maybe the nangka is not ripe. Yes, mister. Yes.
Do you know
Yes.
that
That.
some country
Yes.
they eat durian, but they also eat the skin of the durian?
No, nonsense. Which
Yes.
country is that? Which country is that?
Kind of Indonesia.
My wife come from Indonesia. I ask my wife now. Bubu,
Okay.
orang Indonesia makan kulit durian tak? Ada
Oh.
ada makan orang tak ada. Dia buat apa dengan kulit durian? Buang. Throw away the thing. My goodness. Fortunately, I got to be very careful. I write books. Imagine I
I think
increase.
Japan.
Are you sure? Okay, later we check. All right, well done to those who have gotten this correct. Raidi and Putri, well done. We have come in fast again. Can you find the jackfruit? Those of you who don't understand, you take. You want to take water or you want to give water? That's okay. Say what give water. Or you want to throw water? It's okay. You know what's throw water? In Malay lah.
Throw water.
No, buang air lah. It's throw water.
Isn't that defecate?
Defecate. Yeah, defecate is from the back. Urinate. Okay, now here. You have
Sure.
one. Yes.
You call it air.
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 Then it's supposed to be called air.
It's supposed to be called air, but some people they call it air masak, air putih. They all doesn't make sense.
But they say air.
Oh, air. Okay. All right. Hey, come. I have only gotten 3 answers plus Farish one. Well done, Farish. So we.
So is it like all of them plus? Then you take that one times.
Okay, so you must find what you want to find. You want to find a third jackfruit. This one we don't know how heavy. This one we know the first one. Jackfruit. Imagine this first one is 3.5 kg. Second one is 2.95 kg. Right? So how to find the third one? Well, if you know the total weight, you can find the third one because you can just minus. You have the number of jackfruits, you have the average weight of each jackfruit, you can find total. According to this, remember I tell you, you put a tick, write down what or tick what you have, tan. So what do you have? Oh, I have, let me see. I have number. I have average. I can find the total weight. So if you find the total weight,
So
which
you
is
find the
3,
total weight, and then you take 3.85 plus 2.95 minus the whatever answer you get. You will get
yes, well done, well done. Or you can also just take 9.6 minus 3.85 minus 2.95. Get correct also. You will get 2.8 kg. You have to know this. This is considered basic, and you need to know this because PSLE, this sort of question will come up. Okay, so
But do you need this in your life?
yeah, do you need this in your life? Yes, if you're doing certain types of businesses, maybe you need average. As I told you, average you need to know lah.
But we have weighing skills, what?
Yeah, but let's say if you're not allowed to weigh and you need to calculate, just as sometimes you want to measure something, but you can't physically measure. For example, the distance from the Earth to the planets. You say, why would I have to know the distance? Let's say you're sending a rocket up there, a space shuttle. You need to estimate. Why? Why? The fuel. How much fuel do you carry? This fuel is very heavy, considered heavy. So you want to carry just enough for the trip there and back. Say, no, I want to carry a whole tanker of it. You can't. There's no petrol station in between. You just need to carry just enough. And that's what happened to, I think, Apollo 13, I think. There's a movie on it.
Oh yeah, they blew up. They blew up.
Not blew up. Apollo 13.
Yeah, the satellite.
No, okay. Apollo 13, I think, is the one that got stuck, Apollo 13. So they were stuck in outer space. Okay,
I thought Apollo 11. There's too much Apollos.
Yeah, there's too many Apollo. See down here, Apollo 13.
What happened? I thought Apollo, the food.
Even the Apollo.
Yeah, the food is a biscuit.
Yeah, you have all sorts. You see down here, they were supposed to land on the moon, and supposed to be 1970. This is a few months before I was born, but the landing was aborted, and then there was not enough oxygen. Why? Something happened.
They died there.
No, they did not. So they did not have enough oxygen, and then they did not have enough energy to come back. So they had to calculate how do we get back, because there is gravity. So they did all sorts of calculation. NASA did the calculation. They say, okay, now do certain things at certain point, and they did it, and they were able to reach back on Earth. Can you imagine? If you're stuck in outer space, there's no oxygen, you're gonna die. You know you're gonna die. It's quite a scary
Not
thing.
serious.
But if there's not enough oxygen to go to space, then how do they
This Apollo. This Apollo.
That Apollo is different. That Apollo is different. That's Malaysian made. Okay. Why not inside oxygen? Yeah, I think that's made in Malaysia or Indonesia. Can you check the halal?
Milk from Singapore. Fresh.
Okay, come. Let's try the next one.
I want to eat. I'm so hungry.
I'm sorry, I didn't eat lunch, so I'm chewing and chewing. Every time you teach us, you always chewing. Yes, I don't eat lunch. Yeah. Just now I slept after teaching Putri. I slept. Pingsan. Putri, do you pingsan also, Putri? Do you sleep?
What?
Putri,
No.
Larissa's not there.
I also don't sleep.
Do you sleep as well, Putri? Do not. No wonder this time I didn't see you in my dreams. Because if you sleep inside, then we can. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
You know, today I wake up so early.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up like 9. Yeah.
It's so late. Oh wow.
No. I usually I wake up during weekends. I wake up at 12.
Oh god. So you should, okay. So Raidi says wake up at 7. You must wake up latest by 6:30. You must do your prayers.
You know why?
Why?
But how do we do our prayers if you need to go to school by then?
No, your school. What time do you leave for school?
Like 6:30.
6:30.
6:30.
So 6:30 is the last time now. Your prayer starts at 5:30. You can pray at 5:30.
Yeah.
But I wake up at 5:30.
I go out at 7, leave school at 7:20.
Because I got no time. Because my school is very far away, so I need to reach there.
Okay, worst come to us. So you do like what I do. Sometimes in the bus, I pray. Say, but not in Singapore bus. I'm going Malaysia. The journey is so long. I pray in the bus. And then when you're going on the plane, sometimes you have to pray in the plane. See, do we stand up and pray? No, you sit down and pray. Yeah? Just like the sick people.
No, actually you can stand up or sit.
Yeah, but It can't be in the plane. You are playing like that. People everyone looking at you.
If you want to stand up, right, you must go to the stewardess.
You see, no.
Wait,
Yeah,
but
I
what
don't-
when you got what do you call it?
My
I forgot the
ustazah
name.
told me.
Okay, Raidi, they're not asking you for total. You have found the total. You're not checking. They're asking for the fifth number, not the total. Let us see. Well done, Miss Putri. Miss Putri knows the answer. Well done. A little bit tricky here. A little bit tricky, huh?
What do they mean? Do they mean?
Well, Farish also gets the answer correct. Congratulations, Mr. Farish. Well done. This is a PSLE question, by the way.
Yeah, what do they
I repeat, this question is a PSLE question. You must know this.
I don't understand what they mean.
This okay now. Okay, now let's say now we think of a few numbers, can? Okay, now I'm gonna do this. Okay, you give me. Let's say you give me one number 6. Some more.
7, 17,
7. Some more.
17.
17. Some more. Oh, hold on.
No, 5.
5 is it? Okay, good.
Numbers.
Hold on, and 5. Okay. So now I'm going to ask Farish to give me the last number. 6, 7. Farish, you don't say that. You don't say the number. Okay, we're going to guess. Okay, you have the number in your mind. Okay, now it's 17, 5. Oh, yo. Hold on. 17, 5. Okay, but first of all, we ask Putra. You add all of this. How much do you get? This one, the first 4.
What?
Can you add all of this?
Yes, can, sir.
What is it?
The answer is.
Mm-hmm.
Wait lah.
Drum roll.
8.
No.
I can't get 8.
Okay, the answer is.
35.
The answer is 35.
35, is it correct? 14,
Yes.
14, 20, 24.
Yeah, you know I do. I did your method.
23, 30, 35.
Okay, correct. Okay, well done. So now, Farish, you don't tell us the number here, but I want you to add your number to 35 and give us the answer here. I repeat, Farish. You know what? Farish, Farish, yes.
1 to 5.
You 1 to 5. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you all find out what his number? What's the number he's thinking now?
Is it 90?
90. Hold on. Is it 90? Well, it's correct. It's 90. Is it correct, Karis?
Mm-hmm.
How did you do it, Karisa?
125 minus 6 minus 7 minus 17 minus 5.
Okay, so I'm going to draw this as a model, okay? I'm going to draw this as a model. This one now is without Farish's number. This one now is with Farish's number. So to find this balanced one, you take the whole thing 125 minus 35. So why am I telling you this? You need to do the same thing. Average of 4 numbers, you find the total of 4 numbers. Find the total of 5 numbers, you minus. This is the total of 5 numbers. This is the total of 4 numbers. When you minus it, you get the 5th number. Do you get it? You understand what I'm saying now? You find the total of the 5 numbers now. What is the total of 5 numbers? 82 times 5, correct? You get 410. This is 410 down here. Very long model now. And then now you take the total of the 4 numbers. 4 times 80, which is 320 somewhere here. So now we ask, this is the 5th number. These 4 numbers, what? This is the 5th number. What is this number? 410 minus 320, you get 90. You get it? I do not know whether you get it. So it takes some time to get it. Never mind. It takes some time to get it. So inshallah. Go.
Okay.
Akil, are you okay? Oh, for a while I saw you were botak one side, but never mind. I thought you had a new hairstyle. Okay, it's your hand. It's okay. Okay, I was thinking, how come he has a mohawk hairstyle? Okay, now we try now. Tylee. Now you ask yourself, what are they finding? Shafia, are you finding total? Are you finding average? Or are you finding number? You must know, Shafia. Are you finding total? Are you finding average? Or are you finding number? So what we'll do, we'll look at this. What is this? This is all together. This is total. Then they give you average. You are finding number. How many? So what's the formula? Number. Total divided by average. That's it. Very simple. Very simple. Come on. Very simple. Offer, offer, offer. Durian to feed your cat. Come on.
1.
Okay, ready? Very fast.
1.
Your
Yay.
answer is correct. Well done.
I got the durian.
You got the durian.
I got durian.
Why you feed your cat very expensive food?
No, I don't like durian.
Wait, but that is durian. Is durian expensive, man?
Yeah. Durian is the most expensive fruit in Singapore.
Yes, true.
It depends
But
on.
it's nice.
It's nice, huh? Depending who's eating. Well done, Putri. Okay, later we'll show you the durian, the cat durian. Huh? I'm a little bit shocked actually.
Which durian was it?
I do not. I will show you to you. The cat just eating
Red
durian.
prawn,
Question one, huh?
butter, musangki.
Oh, I do not know. You got to ask the durian giver.
Red prawn.
Red prawn. Aduh.
The nicest.
I never tried. I only buy the cheap durian.
But what durian you like? What
The
texture of
durian I
you
eat
like?
is the one that Putra, when he eats the skin, he throws away. Then I'll pick it up and then I'll just. And sometimes I do that. I find that how come tak hidup.
But what's your favorite texture of durian?
Durian.
Because durian got like soft and creamy, then got
Okay.
the hard and firm, then
What
got
is-
like watery.
What is yours?
The soft and creamy, but it's not too
Yeah, my
soft.
one also soft.
Something okay.
You cannot eat the
Shafia, Karen,
watery.
watery.
But not too soft.
Not too soft. Shafia, Karen, Shafia. Yeah, actually once I bought some durian and the durian looks exactly like excreta. You know excreta?
So,
No.
I done with my number 2.
The dung you pass out. The hard one.
Oh,
And then I smell it smell like it. Oh my goodness, I cannot eat it.
So,
I ate one, but I felt as if
so that means you real?
I let others eat.
How so you real?
Others eat.
So you just eat
I ate a soft and creamy one. And also the yes.
at least it's not very watery like the real.
number 2.
You're done number 2. Oh, well done. Righty, they were asking you. Yeah, Ken, Shafia. Righty, they were asking you, what type durian do you feed your cat? Was it
I
soft?
don't, abang, what durian you feed kita the other day? Don't know.
Don't know. Okay, no. Anyway, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, so let's see. Righty has given the answer. Righty, just a moment for question 2. Okay, you'll see what your answer is. Well done, Righty. You got the second one. Farish, let's see whether you get the first one. Farish, your answer for the first one is not correct.
I knew it.
Because it'd be very, how can you buy 2.5 books? This is a number of books. No, I want to buy 2.5 books. Like you want to have 2.5 durian. Maybe they can cut the durian in half. But book you cannot cut it to half. Say I want you cut.
250 cents.
No, it's not. They didn't ask you how much is the book. They asked how many books.
Oh yeah, huh?
So it cannot be. You must read the question carefully. Yeah.
One.
One. Okay, very simple. Very simple. You ask yourself what you want to find. You want to find number. How to find number? Total divided by average. What is total? 78. What is average? 13. You divide, you will get 6 books. So the answer is 6. Well done, Shalina. Okay, we move on. We move on to the next one. You need to get all the basics. Okay, yeah.
My calculator just disappeared.
Okay, use your calculator for this one also, please. The table shows the number of students who volunteered for a cleanup drive. That means they go for a drive and then they start cleaning up places like, for example, the seaside. So these are the people who volunteered.
How to find D5?
To find? Oh, very fast already.
D5.
You find, they want you to find average. Formula for average is total divided by number. Average, right, equals to total divided by number. Do you know total? Yes, you can find the total for the 4 days. You can find the total. Number, 4 days. So divide by 4. Ready? Congratulations for A. Putra, congratulations for A. B now. B, you have not done. B, that one's not correct. That one is the total for, but they didn't ask you for total. They want only day 5, like how we did just now. You have found like the total from here to here. You have found total from here to here. They want you not to, you have found correct. Now you must minus this total from here to here. Then you can get day 5. You get it ready? Oh,
Done.
well done. Well done. If that is correct, let me see. Total. Yeah, that is correct. Well done, Heidi. Okay, we just wait for the rest. What about Putri? What happened to her? She's busy cooking again. But that's a very difficult dish you can cook. Sotong masak kicap. Yes, Prakashwil. Yes.
Tonight I'm
I can
cooking.
my calculator.
Okay, come.
Where's my calculator?
You got no calculator. Where's your calculator?
I
Yes.
lost my calculator. I don't know it went.
Misplaced. Yes, where's Putra?
Tonight I'm cooking.
Is it true now, this guy?
Oh, my
Yeah,
calculator.
sure.
Putri, is it correct that his Putra is cooking tonight?
He helped me only.
Wow.
No, tonight I'm cooking by my own.
I cook Maggie.
Okay, well done, Shalina. Well done, Putri. What about the rest? Come on. Okay, well done, Putri. For the second one also. So first one, right? First one, here we go.
To divide time.
Okay, first one, you get total, you add all this. Add. What do you get? You get 280. And 280 divided by the number of days. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days. You get 70. So on the average, 70 persons are coming every day. See, how is this number important? Imagine you want to prepare mineral water for the students. Maybe you say, hey, we better buy 100 lah. Because average about 70 coming, we buy 100, even slightly more is okay. You know what I mean? So this give you an estimate, So now how to do number for day 5? Very simple. Come on, Shalina, you know what to do, Shalina? What is the total for the 5 days minus total for the 4 days? Total for the 5 days is how many? You can find here. Total for the 4 days, you already calculated is 280. From here to here, the total is 280. What about the total for the 5 days? You see, they don't tell us how to do. You know down here, day 5, from day 1 to day 5 is 80. So you have number, what do you have? This statement tells you, you got the 2 other things. From day 1 to day 5, how many days is that? Oh, the number is 5 days, okay. Average is 80, average is 80. So you can find what is the total. How to find total? Remember, tan is the tan. Total equals to average times number. So you go in times from here to here. How many? 5 times 80. You get 400. One more step. No, Kashril. The whole thing from here to here is 400. From here to here is 280. What is the last day? You minus 400 minus 280. You will get the answer. 400 minus 280, you will get 120. You get it? Do you understand the concept? Total of 5 days minus total of 4 days equals to the value of the 5th day. But maybe the concept has not clicked in yet. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I just share with you something I've shared with Putri just now. This is someone called Alexander Poli. Have I shown you? No, right?
No.
Okay, you know
I only know Alexander.
Alexander the Great.
I only know Alexander is
Yeah, the Alexander the Great is like a very powerful man last time who conquered big tracts of land.
Julius Caesar.
Yeah, Caesar is in another time. Okay, so this person now, he is a very confident person, and he's going to do things that is like impossible to do. Okay, so you see this, you also should believe that you can do anything, but don't do what he's doing because it's dangerous. Okay, but the point is you can do whatever that may seem impossible. The human being can do that. So if you check, you can write Alexander. If you want to check Poli, you see the word death is there. But we are not going to show you his death. We are going to show you this. This is called, let me see, the wingsuit into the void. I think this is the one. Oh no. Sorry, this is not the one. So I think this one. Oh my goodness, why is this coming up? Because of the word death. Bat cave jump. This one, okay. Batman's cave. So now you watch. Is the sound there? I don't think the sound is there. Let me just check again. Sound here. Okay, be careful, okay, because this is something we don't do, but it shows you what a human being is capable of.
I'm just looking at that hole.
Can you see the hole? That hole behind. It's a small triangle hole. He's going to jump from the sky from a helicopter and glide and enter that hole.
Right over there.
This is called wingsuit. Wingsuit, that means they just fly. They have a parachute at the back because otherwise they just jump, they'll enter the hole, they will die. So they need. Sorry?
Who doesn't know that is a wingsuit?
Well, some didn't know. I didn't know before until many years ago. So it's going to go through this one.
An obvious choice. Point of entry is that one. Come out this side. Yeah!
Yeah, man.
This is my entry gate. This is what I'm looking at. Mucho gas. Perfecto.
Okay, imagine you are jumping out of a helicopter. You got to find that small space in the mountain and the rocks. You know, it can be very dizzying. You see, when he falls, you see how he falls. What is the first thing going into our mind? Probably we might be crashing on the ground, right? Now, he has to be very calm and say, I got to find where the hole is. But is the hole easy to find? This is the hole, you know. Let us see. Can he do it? Unfortunately, this guy died in another jump. He died in another jump. He landed. He crashed into a tree. You can check this out. Okay, you can check this down here. This Alexander Poli, Alexander Poli died. Death out of here. So you can see accident, skydiver, base jumper pioneer Alexander Poli died in a wingsuit accident on Monday, 22nd July. I think this might be 2013 or 2014. He hit a tree. What happened? I think I do not know, is it because his parachute did not open? He was only 31 years old. So in as much as the human being can be great, you must remember that Allah is more great. Anything happen, don't choose something that if you one mistake, you die. What for? 31 years old. He left, I'm 20 years older than him. He wasted his life, right?
Sure.
Of course, great, yes.
Is Alexandra, his hobby is parachuting.
Alexander, no hobby. That's what he's called, a professional. Professional, what does it mean? Let's say some people say, well, this guy is a soccer player. Let's say a school friend of yours. See, he's professional. That's a different meaning. That means very good. Professional means you are paid for it. That means you jump, someone pays you. They say, hey, I want to jump also, people pay me. Are you sure people are going to pay you? So for Alexander Poli, because he can do this stunts, people will pay him. Right? But anyway, the point is, be careful of what you do, but you can achieve many things. Okay, that's the point. Ayo, wrong worksheet. That is not the worksheet. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay. So Alexander Poli. Now, same thing. You can do this. You can do this. Yes.
When are you gonna show us the picture video of the cat?
Okay. Okay. Let me download. You want to see now? Okay. The cat picture Raidi have just sent me. I'm a little bit shocked by the cat picture.
I don't have a cat too.
Can you see it? Okay. I'll show you now. Okay, this is Raidi's cat. Okay, we make it. Such an expensive cat. Eating durian. What a cute cat. But a kitten eating a durian. Oh my goodness. Okay, come. Okay. Will you sell your
drink
cat?
water.
I do not know whether he drinks water or not. But will you sell? Go. Okay, come. Let's try the next one. Question number 2. Come. This is similar to the one we did. Putra, I thought you want to go toilet. What scary eyes you have, Putra?
Wait, but then how do you find the white string? I don't understand the as long as.
Okay, so hold on. Done, Ray. Okay, we will check whether you're right in a moment. So now, in this case, the last two, the string number blue and white, they are the same length. So why don't you minus, take the total, you minus, you'll get both of them, then divide by 2. You get it, Farish? Okay, so you can if you don't get it, I have to draw lah. Okay, I will draw. Okay.
Can I get it wrong, correct?
Yours, let me see.
Sure.
Yeah,
What do you mean as long as?
that means the same length.
Sure,
Okay.
there's only 23 more minutes.
Yes. Then what are we going to do? It's okay. Time passes. We're waiting for the rest. Some of us are fast. Some of us not so fast. And it's okay. It's part and parcel of it. Well done, Raidi. Congratulations.
Hello, this is a reflector, and we are looking at how fast people are in maths.
Okay, come. I will draw for those of you who need help. This is red. Okay. Then yellow. Yellow. Okay, yellow. Yellow is longer, right? And then green.
The other thing I sent you was a unfinished project.
Sorry? The what?
The thing that I sent you does not was an unfinished project.
Unfinished project. Okay.
Yeah.
I've not seen the.
I want you to rate it later.
Okay, I've not seen
You
the.
can show the class if you want.
Okay, I'm not.
Am I correct?
Yes, congratulations, Putri. Okay, I've not watched the whole thing yet. Okay, in a moment. So I'm just going to draw like that. Down here. But you cannot see the white one, so I have to use, instead of white, I use orange. This orange represents white now. So now down here, you find the total. You find the total. You minus, you get the last two. This last two you will get, and then you divide by 2. You know, you can find this total. Find this total.
You can never see my white.
I can see your white because you're writing on a slightly gray. Come on, come on. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. You see, red is here. The string is this much. So you find what's the total. Say how to find the total.
See why, right?
Down here, there they give you average, and you have the number. How many numbers? How many strings? There are 5 strings. This is number. You know. This is average. You can find. What's the total length? Anyone? I add for you 2.0 plus 2.6 plus 2.2 is 6.8
4.7.
meters. What about down here? 4.7, is it? No, what is this? From here to here, how to do this one? The total, you take 5 strings times 2.3. And what do you get? Times 10, 11.5, I think. Right? 11.5, right? 2.3 times 5.
Yes, sure.
So now the whole thing is 11.5. You minus 6.8, now what do you get? 11.5 minus 6.8, what do you get?
4.7.
4.7. Oh, it was you who said 4.7. So that means blue and white is 4.7, and they are the same. So just divide by 2. Why? Because the same.
2.35.
You get 2.35. Well done.
Sure.
Yes.
My
Yes.
sister very fast.
It's okay. Yeah, she's hardworking and she helps her mother. You know, it's very good. Huh?
How about me?
And you are also fast, and you also hardworking, and so also help your mother and father. Is it true? True lah.
I only learn to while I'm doing my work, I learn. I listen to K-pop music.
K-pop. Okay. Okay. Now here we go. Imagine. So one of you, Farish, you were asking, what is the use? Imagine now you get this paper and it's half torn. You can find, you know,
wait, sir.
what is the possible? Yes.
Sir, don't need, sir. Just see 75, then you know you already got the answer.
Okay, but
You think it's 75.050.
I think I'll ask the teacher what's his marks.
750, nice. 750.
okay, no, it's 75. Okay, you try now. What is possibly his mark for maths and science? This is an actual, similar to many PSLE questions that have come on. Some PSLE good, some on average.
your voice behind there.
Yeah, this is my wife. You want to see?
Oh, yeah.
But she doesn't want to see you. Why you don't see? He's too handsome, she says.
How handsome.
I'm just worried now.
No, I say how handsome.
How handsome? Berapa handsome dia? My husband is more handsome than me. Maybe what she meant is when I was your age now. But now, as you know,
You are handsome.
my teeth cannot go in. Okay, come.
Sure.
Yeah.
Can I give you a reader?
Wait now. We are doing a riddle right now. You don't want to do the maths riddle. You want to do this other riddle.
I give up.
Don't give up lah. Don't give up yet.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is my scissors. So it looks like a normal scissors.
Okay, let me see. Oh, that's a scissors. Okay. Yeah, this is this normal scissors is okay, but you're not allowed to carry scissors on a plane lah. They don't allow you. Okay, great. What's the answer? Anyone got the answer not?
No.
Why?
I'm so close to the answer, but I still don't. But I don't understand how you get. Wait, so that means it can be any answer
Yeah.
close to the number.
Yeah.
Actually, you got to give a range. Actually, in this case, there's a range.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is it. No, sure. The what is after 7? The 7. What's after the 7?
Okay, that's why we do not know. See, could be okay. Maybe let's change. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, that's one possible. Let me see. No, not possible. Okay, if you say these are the two, you add them together with the rest. Does it become the total? Okay, that means you don't understand what I'm saying. Okay, what we do now? Can you give a
Am I
possible?
correct?
Okay, hold on now. Yes, you are correct. So now there's so many possibilities, right? Okay, give one possible answer for maths and science. But I'm going to check whether your answer is correct. If you let's say now you say your answer is
So which
71.
one of my answers is correct? Give me 1, 2,
It's
1,
not
0, 1, 2,
correct.
or 4, or 5,
Okay.
6,
Well,
or
how
7,
is
or
my
8,
answer not correct?
Okay, I give you an example.
Oh, I understand.
Can it be 79 or not?
Yes.
You check, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, now first of all, let's find the total marks. You times by 4, correct? Average times by number of tests, you times by 4, you will get 400. So let's see, 400 minus 83 minus 78 minus 79, how much you get?
One, 6,
400 minus 83,
yeah, 150.
78 minus 79. Sorry. Allahu Akbar, not 400, 300. Sorry. That's why I was wondering how come I was getting. Okay, 300 minus 60. Are you sure? Minus 83 minus 78 minus 79. So the answer is 60. So it's possible. But if you say the answer is 79, then your science must be 60. Okay, if you change it to 78, this one is going to be 61. Because all of them have to add up to 300. If you say this one is 75, this one will be what? 64.
I don't understand.
Okay, how you don't? Okay, now down here. 300, you understand? Total score? So you minus 83, minus 78, what do you get?
139.
139. So these two must add up to 139. So you can give any combination. 71 plus what? If you choose 71 for maths, What must be answer for sine?
68.
So you must take
68.
139, 68. Yes. So let's
But
say
it's not got mine is
what do you write? Let me see. You wrote
take out the first one. Take out the first one.
okay.
That's why.
So now you say 75. Let's say. Why I say yours is not correct? Because you say 75. Now you tell me what's the correct answer for the next one, Farish. It has to be
139.
has to be what? 60. 5 plus what equals 9?
What?
4. So if you say 75, the other one has to be 64 because they have to add up to 139. So
Yeah, but my one is 64.
yeah, but you put 62, 75 and 62.
But the one I accidentally type.
Oh, you accidentally type. Okay.
That's
Accidentally
so
type, then it's okay. So I hope you all get it. You all get it how to do this one? You all look tired already lah. How come you're tired? Even the P6 also class tired lah.
So,
Yeah,
which are
but
tired?
P6 class because it's in the afternoon is okay.
So
Shalina,
you mean my sister tired?
your sister was cooking and all. Of course she's tired. You should massage her.
Hey.
Okay, let's try now. Next one. Okay, yeah, this one looks quite. No, not yet. Maybe it's a little bit too common. Oh, that's the. Is this the last one?
Okay, can I give you a result?
Okay, we try the. That's the last one. Can you try this one?
Oh, sure. Sure, 10 more minutes. You sure we can finish this in 10 minutes?
Yes, we can. And we can do some questions later.
Welcome, guys. Oh,
Huh? In 10 minutes.
10 minutes can.
Mental questions.
Not mental. Mental patience.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm very sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Come. Hey, mute yourself. Come on now. I can hear 3 boys and they are okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Come. Think. Shalina, you okay, Shalina? Shalina, are you all right?
Yes.
Yeah, there's now Farish. You look like a girl for a while. In fact, I was telling someone.
Sure. I get it, Farish.
Okay, come. Yeah.
When
Sure.
when Farish, you like this one, that one. The towel, then you do that. Right.
Yeah.
You look so funny.
Okay, come. Focus.
Sure.
Yes, Righty. I'm checking your answer. Your answer is the same as Putri. So
How about you come half, like cut them into half, or the dinosaur half?
dinosaur what?
How does it become half? How does it become half?
Sorry. Just one moment. Hold on. Let me just check your answers. Okay, Righty answers correct for A. Putri also. Now, can we try? Yeah.
What do they mean by need to find the average of 6 months?
6 months. Hold on. In May, there is no visitors. So the number of visitors is 0. So you have May, right? And then June, it opened again. Now here 0 lah. June is 1,000. So there's 6 months. Okay. All right, here we go. Well done, Righty. Congratulations. Well done.
Oh yeah, sure.
Mhm.
So I think I know why there were not a little bit more people go in there.
Why?
Because they just open and then the people who just go there doesn't know that
Yeah, true. Just like, for example, if in our lockdown, right? Once they say dining in is allowed, everyone, many more people will go out, right?
But some of them won't.
Yeah, some weren't, some,
Yeah.
but it's spreading. Actually, I've got a list. I will show it to you in a moment. This list was sent to show the number of schools that have been infected by.
Primary school was infected.
My school were infected with COVID.
Your school, is it?
Yeah.
Then how?
Then we had to do HBL for 1 day
Sure, man.
because the
Sure.
COVID level was primary 1.
Oh,
So
so HBL. Okay, come. The rest, come. I'll show you the list. Maybe you might want that list.
I want the list.
Okay, later you can take a screenshot. You know how to take a screenshot.
Yes.
So Farish, have you sent the answer? But you have not sent the answer. You're just hugging that sweater.
It's not a sweater, it's a blanket. And I'm so cold.
Okay. All right. Then in that case, what did you say?
Do a screenshot.
Screenshot. Okay. Because mine is a Control Shift Option 4. You can, okay, later I'll show you in a moment. Okay, you can Google it now. How to screenshot using okay. So we will
Yeah.
just, yeah.
Wrong pronunciation. It's not screenshot.
Screenshot is once you have done it. To screenshot is the verb. Okay, so we add these four numbers. You add together and then you find the total. You want to find average, remember you need to know total, you need to know number. Now number of months you know is 4. But what's the total? You got to add it up. And 900 plus 1,200 plus 600 plus 1050. You get 3,750. And according to the calculations by Raidi and Carissa, the answer is yes, 937.5. Now they say average, how come have 0.5 is okay. This is average, it's not the real thing. All right. So now that means there's 37.5 visitors on a monthly basis. Why is this important? As I said, if you are having a shop there, if you are having, let's say, an Omnimax there, you need to know how many visitors are going to come in and whatnot. It will help you in planning. Now the next one, they say in May it was closed. In June is 1,200. So they find what is the new average. Very simple. Take 900 plus 1,200 plus 600 plus 1,550 plus 0 plus 1,200, and then you divide by 6. Which is what number now? Plus 1, 2, is you get total 4950 divided by 6 months. Why this time the number is 6 months? So you will get, as Carissa and Raidi gave, 825. Now just very quickly, I'm going to share with you something that maybe you might be shocked with. I do not know whether this information is helpful. Yes.
Is it true information?
Can I tell you a riddle?
Okay, what's the riddle? You can tell now.
In many countries, right? Which country has the most bank?
Most bank. I don't know.
You mean like bank for money or bank for like food bank or what?
Did you know, teacher?
Let's see the list.
Okay.
I think De La Salle.
What's your school name?
De La Salle, 26 July.
Is it here?
Yeah, it's there. 26 July 1.
So
De La Salle.
Is this list accurate? Probably, yeah. They have De La Salle, yeah. 26. So the primary schools are quite a number of primary schools. And that means there's some infection.
Sorry, do you know the answer?
But you are going to give the answer, but that answer is not a country. What's your answer? Bangkok.
The answer, Correct.
But Bangkok is not a country. It's a place inside Thailand. You ask which country.
No.
Let's say now I ask you now,
Malaysia.
which country has the most number of let's say fried kway teow? You say answer is Toa Payoh.
Wait.
Toa Payoh is not.
Singapore.
It has to be a country. So okay, we have. So you want to take a screenshot? Do you know how to take a screenshot if you want to?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
You can. I do not know whether you want to take a screenshot.
No, or
No.
I don't
Yeah.
think.
So I need to show you
Wait,
something.
what's higher tier theory?
Tertiary. Wrong spelling. Tertiary means
Oh.
higher than secondary school. Before
Oh.
university, and normally it can include the university also. You know,
Oh.
preschool. Yes. Yes.
Can you solve this? Are you good at mathematics?
I'm okay in
Is it
mathematics. or something.
soggy? What soggy?
Okay. Try
Okay.
to solve this.
Yes.
Yeah.
5 plus
No.
5 minus 5. Sorry. You try again. My bad. Okay. You right again? Okay, we have a maths question now. A maths riddle from Mr. Yes. 5
Okay. What?
5 minus 5 minus
Wait.
5 minus 56. 5 minus 0.
Oh. I
5
get it.
minus oh. 5 minus 5 minus 0 minus 5 equals 4. 5 or 5.
So what?
Wait.
Abis Safari, Mr.
Minus
Pokor.
wait.
Okay, we give you
Okay,
maximum 1 minute.
so it's all.
This one is 5 lah. Everyone knows this is 5.
Interesting.
Is that the? Is that,
5.
Yeah. Wait.
we are going to stop soon. I'm
Oh,
going to go
wait.
for next. Okay, what is it?
Just
5
continue.
minus 0 minus 5 equals 5.
Equals to
Can you answer?
0 lah.
If you answer this, you are the champion of math.
Really? This one is very simple lah. This one. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, we will.
Haven't solved yet.
Wait, I also got another video, but it's very fast one.
Okay, what is it?
I think everyone know. I don't know. I think Popo. You take 5, and then you need to make it into 4. How you get 4?
Okay, you all
It's so
know who knows?
easy, right?
How?
No, don't ask anyone. Don't ask anyone. No. Don't ask anyone.
What is this?
IV.
Okay, IV4. Okay. All right then.
Oh.
You take care of
The
yourself.
answer is
IV, well done. IV is Roman, I think. Okay, assalamualaikum.
5.
Catch
The
up next
answer
week.
is
Bye.
but